Hi, welcome back. So far the application that we've built can process text files and binary data files, but we haven't yet implemented the functionality to process comma-separated value data. We also haven't made the application testable, so we can test the code without actually having to use the physical file system. We'll look at the testing aspect in the next module, but in this module we're going to go and implement the CSV processing capabilities. So we're going to kick off this module by an overview of the library we'll be using in this module, the CSV Helper library. Once we've got a high-level overview of this library, we'll learn how we can use it to read CSV data into dynamic C# objects, and we'll learn a number of different ways we can configure reading CSV data, such as trimming excess spaces, choosing whether or not to allow comments in the incoming CSV data, choosing whether or not we ignore blank lines in the data file, how to configure a custom delimiter if we're not using commas to separate the values, how to work with CSV file headers, and then we'll learn that in addition to reading data dynamically, we can also read it in a strongly typed way into predefined entity classes. We'll also learn that we can use entity classes that don't exactly match the incoming CSV data by setting up class maps. And we'll even learn that we can set up custom converters for the data inside CSV files. And finally, in addition to reading data using the CSV Helper library, we'll learn that we can use it to write CSV data files. So let's kick off this module by getting a high-level overview of the CSV Helper library.